Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the Saraguay collection, specifically with the black quartz and white polymarble countertops. Let's take a look at the finer details of the collection. The Saraguay collection is available in 3 versatile sizes: the compact 30 inches, ideal for small spaces; the versatile 48-inch, which balances size and functionality; and the grand 60-inch, for those who demand ample space and grandeur. Each piece in this collection offers 2 exquisite countertop options. Choose from the pristine white polymarble or the sophisticated black engineered quartz. Complement your Saraguay vanity with our matching linen cabinet, designed for seamless integration and additional storage, making it both a practical and stylish choice. Exclusive for the 48 and 60-inch sizes, explore the sophistication of an open shelf metal frame option, meticulously crafted for durability and a touch of modern aesthetics. Designed with your convenience in mind, every countertop is pre-drilled to accommodate a single mount faucet and features a rectangular sink with an overflow. The inclusion of soft closing drawers ensures your storage needs are met without compromising on the serene tranquility of your space. Moreover, each vanity in the Saraguay collection arrives pre-assembled with a pop-up drain included, ensuring a hassle-free installation process right from the start. Taking off the drawers off of the Saraguay vanity is pretty simple. You just need to open the drawer. Underneath the drawer on each side, right over here, there will be a little screw that you will need to take out. So once those 2 screws are out, you can just pull the drawer right out. And that's about it.